Hello everyone, today we are unboxing and swatching the HIMI Acrylic 36 color set. Let's see what makes this a must-have for artists. This set features 36 vibrant and stunning diverse range of shades, comes in convenient 12 ml tubes. They are perfect for all type of artists and comes at an affordable option. From bold primaries to soft pastels, this set offers a wide range of shades to spark your creativity. Each tube is labeled with its color name and number, making it so easy to organize and use. So let's start swatching and test out these colors. The paints have a creamy consistency and excellent pigment coverage. Whether applied straight from the tube or blended with water, the colors remain bold and smooth. Look at these stunning shades. These paints work beautifully on both light and dark surfaces. HIMI acrylic paints are great for layering, blending, and creating textured effects. These paints work well on various surfaces like canvas, paper, wood, and fabric, making them ideal for both fine art and DIY projects. With a creamy consistency, they are easy to blend, layer, and apply, allowing for techniques like dry brushing, glazing, and impasto. The rich pigment load ensures vibrant and opaque coverage even on darker surfaces, while the quick drying formula is perfect for efficient layering. HIMI paints are non-toxic and safe for all age groups. The 12 ml tubes are compact and provide just the right amount of paint for most projects. Once dried, the colors leave a smooth, matte finish that enhances the artwork's overall appeal. As you can see, this set includes vibrant primary colors like crimson red, lemon yellow, and ultramarine blue, which are essential for mixing a wide spectrum of hues. Pastel shades such as soft pink, mint green, and blue provide a delicate touch for creating subtle, dreamy effects. For nature-inspired themes, earthy tones like burnt sienna, raw umber, and olive green bring depth and realism to landscapes or organic designs. Additionally, bold, vibrant tones like deep violet, turquoise, and vermilion allow for eye-catching, dramatic compositions. This set also features neutral shades like black, white, and grey, essential for shading, highlighting, and creating custom tints and tones. Loved by many artists for its consistent quality, the set delivers excellent value for money. These paints can be diluted with water for soft washes or used thick for textured effects, adapting to your style. Their long-lasting, fade-resistant colors ensure your creations maintain their vibrancy over time. So whether you're creating bold, detailed paintings or personalizing crafts, this set is a must-have. Its well-curated selection eliminates the need for constant color mixing while still allowing room for creativity and experimentation. For better results, use a palette to mix colors and seal your work with an acrylic varnish for added durability and vibrancy. With HIMI, explore your creativity and bring your ideas to life. So if you're looking for an affordable, high-quality acrylic set, the HIMI 36 color set is definitely worth a try. So are you ready to explore your creative side? Then go and explore this product and many more others in our very own Tuvi Arts website now. Subscribe for more art-related content. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Meet you soon in another one. Bye-bye.